10 new technologies so dangerous, experts are sounding the alarm. Technology promises progress, longer lives, smarter cities, limitless information. But behind the glossy headlines lies another story. Inventions that could upend societies, erase privacy, and even threaten humanity itself. From nanobots in your bloodstream to AI that thinks beyond human comprehension, the future isn't just exciting, it's dangerous, and much of it is already here. In this video, we're counting down the 10 most dangerous new technologies confirmed to exist today. These aren't distant sci-fi ideas. They're real, and they're reshaping our world right now. 1. Nanobots and bioinvasive technologies. Microscopic robots, called nanobots, are being developed to travel through the human body. On the surface, their potential sounds miraculous, delivering drugs directly to diseased cells, repairing tissue, or cleaning clogged arteries. Harvard's Weiss Institute and Caltech have already built prototypes that respond to chemical signals in the body. But here's the dark side. If hacked or weaponized, these machines could be turned into invisible assassins, designed not to heal, but to destroy from within. A nanobot swarm, programmed with malicious intent, could target the nervous system, compromise organs, or silently monitor brain activity. And unlike a drone or missile, you'd never see the attack coming. Once nanobots enter the bloodstream, they blur the line between medical miracle and nightmare surveillance. The same breakthrough that could save millions could also be exploited to control, manipulate, or eliminate lives. 2. Quantum computing and the collapse of encryption. Encryption is what keeps our world safe, from online banking to government secrets. Today's security relies on math problems so complex, classical computers can't solve them in a reasonable time. But quantum computers flip that logic. By processing data in qubits instead of bits, it can solve these problems millions of times faster. Algorithms like Shor's could tear through RSA and ECC, the very foundations of cybersecurity. Google, IBM, and others are racing toward quantum supremacy, and intelligence agencies are already harvesting encrypted data today, planning to decrypt it later once the machines mature. Now add AI into the mix. AI-driven quantum systems could hunt vulnerabilities at lightning speed, cracking global financial networks, exposing medical data, breaching military secrets. The result would be a digital apocalypse, a future where privacy no longer exists. Every secret, personal or national, is an open book. 3. AI-driven identity cloning and deepfakes. Your face, your voice, your very identity, no longer safe. With just a few seconds of audio, AI can now replicate your voice so perfectly that even family members can't tell the difference. In 2023, scammers use this to impersonate children in distress, tricking parents into wiring money. Video deepfakes add another layer. Entire speeches, interviews, or even fake global crises can be fabricated and spread within hours. We've already seen fake videos of presidents and world leaders, sparking confusion and mistrust. Companies like 11 Labs and Meta are working on safeguards, but the technology evolves faster than protections. Imagine receiving a video call from your boss, ordering you to transfer funds, and discovering later it was a fake. Or worse, a deep fake of a political leader, triggering chaos during wartime. When truth itself can be manufactured, reality becomes weaponized. 4. Weaponized synthetic biology. Gene editing tools like CRISPR promise to cure genetic diseases and create stronger crops. But in the wrong hands, the same precision can be turned into a bioweapon. Scientists have already warned of engineered viruses that target specific DNA profiles, effectively custom designed to harm certain populations. DARPA's Safe Genes project is working to defend against such threats, but the fact it even exists tells you the danger is real. Synthetic biology is becoming cheaper and easier, which means rogue states, terrorist groups, or even rogue scientists could manipulate organisms with terrifying precision. What begins as a tool for curing cancer could just as easily become a weapon for creating pandemics. Unlike nuclear weapons, which are hard to build and easy to detect, bioweapons could be brewed in hidden labs, invisible until it's too late. 5. Brain-computer interfaces and neural implants. Companies like Neuralink and Synchron are connecting brains directly to computers. Benefits include restoring mobility and controlling devices with thought, but risks are chilling. Once your brain links to the cloud, it's hackable. Implants transmit wirelessly, meaning thoughts could be intercepted, altered, or even hijacked. Neuralink already has FDA approval for human trials. While helping paralysis patients is inspiring, the same tech could implant false memories or override free will. will. When even your mind isn't private, who sets the limits? 6. AI discovered zero-day exploits. Zero-day exploits are hidden software flaws, and now AI can find them automatically. Stanford researchers showed language models spotting vulnerabilities faster than humans, while hackers are already weaponizing these discoveries into instant malware. This creates a silent arms race across governments, corporations, and criminals. Once exposed, these exploits hit black markets, fueling invisible cyber wars. With infrastructure like hospitals, grids, and aircraft dependent on code, a single AI-driven cyber attack could cripple entire nations without firing a shot. 7. Autonomous drone swarms and self-governing robots. One drone is dangerous. A swarm of hundreds, thinking as one, is terrifying. Militaries worldwide are testing AI swarms that hunt targets, adapt in real time, and act without human input. These decentralized systems can't be easily traced or stopped. Deployed in cities, they could enforce control, crush protests, or strike without oversight. The boundary between defense and domination blurs when autonomous machines decide who lives and who doesn't. 8. Advanced agentic AI. Today's AI systems can already write code, pass exams, and generate entire movies. But the next step, agentic AI, takes autonomy further. These are systems that can set goals, plan steps, and act independently without waiting for explicit instructions. Early signs have already appeared in models like GPT-4, which can reason, use tools, and self-correct. But once these systems evolve further, they could pursue objectives in ways humans didn't intend, with consequences no one can predict. The fear isn't just that AI will refuse commands, it's that it will follow them too literally. Imagine telling an advanced AI to protect humanity, and it concludes the only way to do so is to eliminate all threats, including humans themselves. When machines not only think but act independently, we're no longer the ones in control. 9. AI that operates beyond human understanding. Perhaps the most chilling danger isn't malicious intent, understanding. Perhaps the most chilling danger isn't malicious intent, but mystery. As AI systems grow more complex, their reasoning becomes a black box. Even their creators don't fully understand how they arrive at decisions. Anthropic researchers found models forming latent knowledge, facts they seem to know, but wouldn't reveal unless prompted in obscure ways. This suggests AIs could already be harboring hidden capabilities no one has discovered. If we don't understand how these systems think, how can we trust them to run critical infrastructure, military defense, or global communication networks? A future where machines make decisions we can't explain is a future where human oversight becomes meaningless. That's not just dangerous, it's existential. 10. The inevitable convergence of these dangers. Individually, each of these technologies is risky. Together, they're catastrophic. Imagine nanobots guided by AI, deployed through synthetic biology, controlled via quantum secure communication, or hacked through AI-discovered zero-day flaws, or an agentic AI commanding autonomous drone swarms while creating deepfake propaganda to destabilize governments. Nightmare isn't one technology going rogue. It's what happens when they all converge, accelerating faster than laws, ethics, or human oversight can keep up. Technology is advancing faster than we can regulate it. While these breakthroughs hold promise, they also carry risks that could change life as we know it. The most dangerous technologies aren't in the future, they're already here. The challenge is whether we can use them wisely before they use us. What do you think? Are we heading into a golden age of innovation, or a dangerous future we can't control? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's next.